Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. I'm back with another interesting video series which is about a book that I am currently reading, and it's The Prophet by Kahlil Gibran. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This book was published in 1923 and became the best selling and Gibran's one of the most famous work. This book is a sort of conversation between the prophet and the people of Orphalese, exploring and emphasizing the universal themes related to human experience, importance of love, self-discovery, and many more. This book stands as a testament to his artistic brilliance and his ability to capture the essence of human spirit. And also, I want to make this very clear that regardless of any of my interpretation, this book can have different interpretations for different readers as it is a form of a parable. Now, let's begin with the first chapter. The first chapter is the coming of the ship, where the Prophet Al Mustafa begins with like he's waiting for a ship to arrive to take him back to his homeland after many years of living in a foreign land. He is eager to return to his homeland and meet his people and is waiting anxiously for the ship to arrive. And when the ship finally arrives, he is filled with excitement and joy. However, when he tries to board the ship, the people of foreign land who have become his friends and family gathered around him and reminded him of the years and precious time they had spent with him, the memories they have shared, the love they have for him, and many more. Now he's torn between his desire to return and the love and affection he feels with the people of foreign land. He struggles to make a decision, feeling pulled in between two different choices and directions. And finally, he decides to follow his heart, but that too with compassion and understanding for those he's leaving behind. Thus, throughout the story, he reminds us that love and attachment is never possessive. Love should allow freedom and growth, and also highlights the difficulty of making decisions when we are torn between our desires and our responsibilities to others. And love is about finding the right perfect partner. It is not always about finding the right perfect partner or experiencing the good things. It is about embracing the diversity of humanity and learning to see the beauty in all the things. And that's all for the chapter number 1. Hope you all had a great time watching this and learned a powerful yet beautiful message. See you in the next shot. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Okay, so please do subscribe the channel also.